The Port of London has been a stagnant pool. Its shipping laid up, its barges idle behind the gates of Tower Bridge since last Sunday, when 3,500 members of the Union of Watermen, Lightermen, Tugmen and Bargemen went on strike against a reduction of 10 pence a day in wages. Mounted police were on duty in Tooley Street, but there was no disorder. On the wharves, the only sign of life was the presence of the city pigeon, looking vainly for his usual midday meal. The seagulls flutter their discontent over London Bridge, spying for some suggestion of appetizing activity. A Soviet ship is involved in the general stoppage, and the only work anywhere in progress is on a barge unloading tea. Well, we can live a long time on the old lady's beverage. The cranes are idle and the wharves are empty, but the kettle will still be steaming on the hob.